let's talk about investing. Sounds intimidating, right? Maybe you picture a bunch of people in suits, shouting numbers on a trading floor or complicated charts that look like a foreign language. It's easy to feel like investing is only for experts or people with a lot of money, like something only Wall Street pros do, or something you need a finance degree to even understand. But here's the truth, it's not as scary as it seems. In fact, investing is a lot more approachable than you might think, and you don't need to be a math genius to get started. If you've ever played a video game, you already have the basics: strategy, saving, leveling up. You know how to set goals, make choices, and learn from your mistakes. Investing is just building a better future instead of fighting dragons. It's about making your money work for you so you can unlock new opportunities and reach your goals. Think of the stock market as a giant open-world game with its own rules and lingo. There are different paths to take, and you get to choose your own adventure. Once you learn the controls, it all starts to make sense. The more you play, the more confident you get. You wouldn't face the final boss without a tutorial, right? The same goes for investing. Everyone starts as a beginner. Same with investing. Start small, learn as you go. Even the pros started with their first dollar, and every bit of progress counts. No one expects you to speedrun Wall Street on your first try. It's okay to take your time, ask questions, and make mistakes along the way. We'll break it down video game style: quests, character classes, leveling up. Each step is a new mission, and you'll gain experience as you go. So grab your metaphorical controller. Your financial adventure is about to begin. You're the main character in this story. First step in any RPG? Pick your character or build your team. In investing, that means figuring out your strengths, interests, and what you want to achieve. Figure out who's good at what, who charges in, who supports. In your financial journey, you'll want to know what resources you have and who can help you along the way. Investing has its own version: asset classes. These are like the different roles or classes in a game, each with unique strengths and weaknesses. Sounds fancy, but it just means different types of investments: stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Each one plays a part in your overall strategy. Like in a game, choosing the right mix for your team, your portfolio, is key. The right balance helps you handle whatever challenges come your way. Let's get into it. Ready to press start? Time to build your team and learn the basics. Let's go. Your adventure in investing starts now, and you're more ready than you think. Time to pick your team. Just like in your favorite video game, every player has a unique role, strengths, and weaknesses. In the world of investing, you get to assemble your own squad. Each asset class brings something different to the table. In investing, your main classes are stocks, bonds, and cash. Think of them as your core teammates, each with a special ability that can help you win the long-term game. Stocks are your high-damage heroes, big rewards, but higher risk. They're the ones who can score you the most points, but they can also get knocked out if the market takes a hit. Buy a stock, own a piece of a company. If it does well, you win big. If not, you take a hit. Stocks can be exciting, but they're not for the faint of heart. Expect some ups and downs along the way. Bonds are your tanks: steady, reliable, less risky. They're built to protect your team and keep you in the game, even when things get tough. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government. They pay you back with interest. Bonds are like a shield, offering stability and predictable returns. Bonds won't make you rich overnight, but they protect you when things get wild. They're the backbone of a solid portfolio, especially when the market gets stormy. Cash is your healer: safe, accessible, always there in emergencies. It's the teammate you count on when you need to make a quick move or cover an unexpected expense. Think savings accounts or money market funds. Not much growth, but great for quick needs or opportunities. Cash keeps you flexible and ready for anything. Too much of one class? You're vulnerable. Too many stocks, you risk big losses. Too many bonds or cash, you might grow too slowly. It's all about finding the right balance for your journey. The trick is balance. Find the right mix for your style and goals. Diversification is your secret weapon, helping you weather storms and seize opportunities. A balanced party conquers the game. When your team works together, you're ready for anything the market throws at you. Know your character types and you're already ahead. Understanding what each asset class does gives you the power to build a winning strategy. Stocks, bonds, cash, DPS, tank, healer. Each one plays a vital role in your financial adventure. Each has a role. Mix them wisely. The right combination can help you reach your goals faster and with less stress. That's your first big step in investing. Understanding asset classes is the foundation for everything that comes next. Ready for the next level? With your team assembled, you're set to take on bigger challenges and grow your wealth. Let's keep building your strategy. Onward. Your journey as an investor is just beginning, and with the right mix, you're already on the path to success. You've picked your classes, mapped out your schedule, and maybe even started dreaming about your future career. But before you can unlock the next level, there's another quest you need to take on. Now, it's time to grind for XP, saving money. Think of every dollar you set aside as a point that powers up your financial character. Every dollar saved is an XP point for your financial character, helping you get stronger and more prepared for what's ahead. It might feel slow at first, like you're barely making progress, but small, consistent efforts build your foundation over time. Each coin dropped in the jar is a step closer to your next achievement. If you skip the XP grind, you'll stay stuck at level 1, never unlocking new skills or opportunities. Saving regularly, even if it's just a little, is like completing daily quests. These small wins add up, and soon you'll notice your progress. Discipline and consistency are your training. Just like an athlete or a gamer, you get better with practice and routine. Saving isn't flashy, but it's essential, like building up your health bar before a boss fight. It's the quiet work that makes you unstoppable when challenges appear. Without savings, you're fighting dragons with a wooden sword. You might survive, but you'll always be at a disadvantage. Your emergency fund is your buffer, your stash of potions for real-life surprises. When life throws a curveball, you'll be ready. Embrace the grind because it's what keeps you in the game. Make saving a game within the game. Set goals, track your progress, and even challenge your friends to see who can save more. The earlier you start, the more powerful you become. Starting young gives you a huge advantage, letting your XP multiply over time. Time is a huge power-up in investing. The longer you play, the more your savings can grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. Early XP grows into a mighty investment tree. What starts as a few coins can become a forest of opportunity. Don't underestimate small savings. They're the bedrock of your adventure. Every foundation starts with a single stone. Every bit helps you level up. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Keep grinding and you'll be ready for the next challenge. Whether it's a big purchase, an emergency, or your next big life goal, saving is your first real quest. It's the journey that prepares you for every adventure ahead. So start now, keep going, and let's see what happens when you level up. You've been saving. Now it's time to level up with compounding. Compounding is your money earning more money, and then that money earning even more. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill, small at first, but it grows faster and faster. That's compounding your savings, and their growth both start to multiply. The longer you let it roll, the bigger it gets. Start early, and compounding does the heavy lifting. Someone who starts young, even with small amounts, can end up with more than someone who starts late with bigger amounts. Time is your cheat code. Let it work for you. Compounding turns your savings into a growing treasure hoard. It's the secret to turning a modest start into an end-game legend. Just be patient and let it work its magic. Your money grows while you sleep. That's the real power-up. Ready to set your quests? Every game needs quests. Your financial goals are your quests. Without goals, you're just wandering. No direction, no rewards. Set short-term side quests, like saving for a console or a vacation. For these, use safer classes, more bonds or cash. Then set long-term main quests, like retirement or buying a house. For these, you can take more risk with stocks. Time is on your side for big goals. Clear goals help you build your party and strategy. Write them down, give them a timeline, and estimate the cost. Turn wishes into actionable plans. Open your quest log and get ready to conquer. Next up, facing the boss battles. Every adventure has a boss battle. Market crashes are yours. Your portfolio drops, alarms blare, panic sets in, but panic is the worst move. Stay calm and stick to your plan. Analyze, use your resources, trust your party. Market crashes happen, but history shows markets recover. Panic selling locks in losses. Don't let the boss win. If you're diversified and on a long-term quest, crashes can be opportunities. It's like a sale on powerful items. Buy quality investments at a discount. Long-term perspective is your shield. One tough boss doesn't end the game. Remember your training and your goals. Don't let fear dictate your moves. Maybe rebalance, but don't abandon your adventure. Boss battles test your resolve and make you stronger. Survive them, and you'll reap greater rewards. Keep calm and invest on. The game isn't over after one fight. Learn, adapt, and keep playing. Next, how to gear up for any challenge. No gamer faces a dungeon with just one weapon. Same goes for investing. Diversification means spreading your risk, not putting all your gold in one chest. If one investment fails, others can keep you in the game. Mix stocks, bonds, and cash. Each has strengths and weaknesses. Diversify across industries and even countries for extra protection. Your mix depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Younger players might go heavier on stocks, older players might want more bonds. It's like building a balanced party. No all-mage or all-warrior teams. Diversification smooths out the ride. It won't make you rich overnight, but it manages risk and boosts your chances long-term. Play smart, not just hard. Check your inventory, make sure your loadout is ready. Diversification is your best defense. Keep your party balanced. Now let's talk strategy for the win streak. Investing isn't a quick mini-game, it's an epic RPG. Don't try to time the market, that's like chasing lottery wins. The real winners stick to a plan and play the long game. Short-term ups and downs are just random encounters. Focus on consistent saving, compounding, and staying invested. Long-term strategy shields you from scary boss battles. Patience and discipline are your best tools. Don't rage quit when things get tough. Check your plan once or twice a year, or after big life changes. Avoid drastic moves based on fear or greed. Investing is more like watching grass grow than a fast-paced game. Slow and steady wins the campaign. You've learned investing is like a video game. You're the hero. Pick your party, grind for XP, level up with compounding, set quests, face boss battles, and gear up with diversification. The most important lesson, you can do this. No cheat codes or wizard degrees needed, just basic rules and smart play. Patience and practice make you better. Don't let fear or complexity hold you back. Start small, use free resources, and just begin. Every hero starts at level 1. Your journey will have challenges, but steady play wins. The game is on. Your financial adventure awaits. Pick up the controller and make smart choices. With strategy and time, you'll level up your financial life. You're the hero. Claim your rewards. Game on.